Smoke alarms. Everybody has them. Everybody hates to hear that alarm in the middle of the night. Now, today at Smoke Detector Pro, we're going to go over why you need to replace your smoke detectors and some safety tips to look out for. Now, smoke alarms actually do have end of life, 10 years from their date of manufacture. We recommend that you replace them within those 10 years. And this one on the left is a brand new unit, and you can tell this one is an older unit as it's yellow. If you look up at the ceiling at your smoke alarms, you'll notice that some of them may be yellow or outdated. And the best way to tell is by getting up there and actually taking down the smoke detector and looking on the back. There's actually data manufacturer on every single smoke alarm out there. And this one was manufactured October 6th, 2021. So in 10 years, in 2031, this will need to be replaced. We install these on almost every home we go into. This is a very good smoke detector model. We actually recommend that you replace them every 10 years and to stay on that cycle. This one on the left was actually manufactured in 1973. So this one is very, very outdated. Now, if you'd like a free quote, please give us a call or email us. Thank you very much.